Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use oregano oil for lungs. First, understand that oregano oil is a very potent essential oil and must always be diluted before use. Never apply it directly to your skin or ingest it without proper dilution. It's crucial to consult a healthcare professional before incorporating any new supplement, especially for respiratory concerns. This ensures safety and suitability for your individual health needs. Inhalation is a popular method for respiratory support. You can add 2 to 3 drops of oregano oil to a diffuser with 100 milliliters of water to cleanse the air and support breathing. Alternatively, for a more direct approach, add 1 to 3 drops to a bowl of hot, steaming water, drape a towel over your head, and inhale deeply for 5 to 10 minutes. You can also place a few drops on a cotton pad or in a personal inhaler for on-the-go relief. For topical application, always dilute oregano oil significantly. Mix 1 drop of oregano oil with at least 1 teaspoon of a carrier oil, such as olive or coconut oil. Apply this diluted mixture to your chest or back to help with congestion. For internal use, which should be approached with caution and ideally under professional guidance, you can take 1 drop diluted in a spoonful of food or a glass of water or juice. Oregano oil is powerful, so always start with the smallest recommended amount, such as 1 drop, and observe how your body reacts. It's essential to monitor for any skin irritation, stomach upset, or other adverse reactions, and discontinue use if discomfort occurs. Remember to always listen to your body and discontinue use if you experience any discomfort. For more information and to find quality products, check the description below. You'll also find a link to some fantastic darn tough socks there, because life's too short for anything less than the best, and they come with a lifetime warranty. Don't miss out on other great deals linked in the description too.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.